This game is called Sound Effects, okay? What's going to happen is the actors on stage will recreate an activity, okay, that I have here. Wade and Randy will provide the sound effects through the microphones for the scene, okay? So, Randy, if someone was opening a door, it would sound like... Wade, if a gunshot happens, you would hear... Not bad. Last year we did this and they did nothing.
I can do that.
And you have before.
So that's what happens, okay? They will create a scene, provided sound effects by Wade and Randy, and their activity is roller skating. Begin.
Let me just pick up my roller skates here.
Stop, pause, I forgot. Randy does effects for Megan, Wade does effects for Lauren. Sorry. That was kind of a key point. Begin.
Here's my roller skates. And I'm gonna put them on.
Wow, you are professional. I'm gonna go rent mine. I'll be right back. One roller skates, please. Thank you. Man, good to get these squeaky shoes off. Put on roller skates. God.
Oh, right, tying them.
If you don't want to fall and break your arm, yes.
Perfect.
Ugh.
Now to get to the rink.
I don't know why you're doing that. We're on wheels. Great.
So, how's it going?
Not too bad. Whoa!
Oh, no.
Wow, this is some muted ground. It was scary. Yeah.
I'll help you up.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Well, maybe roller skating isn't for us.
That may be it. We take them off.
Yeah, let's just go to the food court, you know?
Oh, that sounds great.
I am an excellent nacho eater. I don't know if you know that about me.
Oh, yes. And nachos?
Yeah, let's do it. 3 nachos, please, sir. Those were some fast nachos.
Yeah. Those are really fast.
I am just full of gases. I am sorry.
That's just fine. How about some drinks, too? What do you like?
Drinks.
Me too.
Perfect. There wasn't a straw on this the whole time. Nope.
Nope.
Okay, now we're fed. I think we can skate again, right?
Sounds good.
Hi. Sorry, just the memories came back to me. It was scary. I'm not gonna skate. I'm gonna go home. I don't know about you.
Let's go home.
Yeah,
together.
let's just. Oh. Okay.
Randy and Wade, thank you.